Hey, yo.
What's up, nephew?
Hey. Hey, man, I need some air on my tire right quick. Can you hook me up?
It's you?
Yeah, that's me, man. You know, I just got there right here, man. Hey, but I can't talk real long. I got a little shot I'm finna pick up later, and I gotta go change my clothes real quick. Hey, man, I just need some air in my tires.
Yeah. I got you, man.
I'm finna go catch these highlights. Hey, you got something drinking there?
Oh, I got something special for you. Go and get some of that stiff dick right there, bro. Yes, sir. I got you, boy. My nephew, boy.
A few moments later.
Hey, what you doing, man? I told you to come get me. And why you messing with the hood, man?
I got you right, nephew. I got you right.
I just need the air. It's some air on my tires.
Yeah, man. I told you I got you right, man.
All right, man. I'm finna head out.
What's up, man? Be safe,
Hey,
man. Wrap it up.
Man, I just need some air. You playing on anything? Yeah. Man, come on, Hey. Man. Eat that. Go, man. Man, Man, what you doing, man? I just said I need some air in my tires, man. Man, man, I said I need some air in my tires.
What's up, man?
Listen.
I told you I got you right, man.
No, you ain't got me right. Why every time I try to crank my car up, the hood pop up?
Man, I gotta see that, man. Go on, get back in.
Man, listen, man, I gotta go in the bathroom right quick, man. Listen, I'm giving you 10 minutes, all right? Listen,
man.
I gotta be out, bro. I got this shot away from me, man.
I got you, man.
All right, man, fix it, man. Dang. Man, is it ready? You gotta fix, man.
Got you.
Listen, man, I'm trying to crank my car up and the hood come up, man. I'm getting that truck.
Man, come on, man. I got you, man. Car too clean, man. Not to get you right.
Dang.
Man. Dang.
Man, all right, man. I'm about
Hold it down, man. Like I said, wrap it up, brother.
I need some air in my tires.
Damn, these youngsters, man.
Hey, it ain't making no noise, man. What's going on? Man, man, what's going on? Man, why I'm trying to crank the car up now, man, and the top coming up. Man, she gonna kill me, dog. Man, I gotta be out, man.
Ooh, I got you, man. I got you, man.
Nah, man. Hey, who Vic that is over there? Let me go ahead and get that. Either that or the truck, man.
No, man, I got you, man. Look, man. I got you, man. Like that.
If you try to crank this car up,
I got you, man.
if the hood come up, that come up again, man,
I got you, man.
Dang, man. Man, come on. So we ready? So I gotta set this every time I crank the car up.
Look, you good. Look. Yeah, look, you good.
Ain't nothing wrong with the motor, man. So every time I crank the car up, now,
No,
the hood gonna
I
pop
got
up.
you set, man. No, man, you good. You good, bro. I mean, I'm trying to get you right, man. You need to be gone, man. You need some tenderoni.
You still ain't putting no air in my tire, man. Come on, man. Nah, forget that, brother. Let me get the key, dog. I need the truck.
In my soul against the city. Dig a hole 6 feet deep. Lay 2 stairs across my feet. Lay your shotgun across my chest. Tell my folks I did my best. I'm a G until I die. Want my 6 up in the sky. Real, recognize real, and this the intro to my life. I said, fear no man but God. AMC that be the squad. I would never give up. Pouring syrup in my